A major legal blow for Prince Andrew. A Manhattan federal judge ruling that the sexual abuse lawsuit against the Duke of York, brought on by one of Jeffrey Epstein's accusers, can move forward in court.
All right, Mike Sachs live in the newsroom now with the details on how the case could play out from here. Mike.
Yes, Stephen, Laurie. So Virginia Giuffre, who was one of Jeffrey Epstein's most vocal accusers, filed suit against Prince Andrew back in August, saying she was trafficked to him 2 decades ago when she was under the age of 18. And now the case is headed for trial after the judge today rejected the Duke of York's request to throw the case out. Now, Prince Andrew's lawyers had argued that Giuffre's 2009 settlement agreement with Jeffrey Epstein has a provision barring her from bringing related claims against others connected to Epstein, while Giuffre's lawyers argued that she agreed to no such thing. And in his 46-page order today, Judge Lewis Kaplan said the language of the agreement is indeed ambiguous, and so it's a jury's job, not his, to determine its meaning at trial. Giuffre's lawsuit specifically accuses Andrew of battery and intentional infliction of emotional distress, and she was able to bring suit thanks to the New York Child Victims Act, which extended the statute of limitations for those alleged violations of state law. And now the Duke of York has to decide whether to fight on, though former federal prosecutor Mitchell Epner says settling may be wiser.
If it goes to trial, this is going to be either a major loss for Prince Andrew or the ultimate Pyrrhic victory. Either he loses and is devastated, or he wins after every piece of dirty laundry he's ever had is aired in public.
And Giuffre's lawyers can now begin collecting that evidence and testimony from Andrew, with the judge setting a July 14th deadline for both sides to complete their depositions and discovery, which means the trial could begin as soon as late summer, unless, of course, Andrew and Giuffre come to a settlement before then.